Hello and welcome to PMCLounge.com. This is Lounge Fever, a series of videos where we try to answer your questions. The question for today is the difference between performance review and audit. What exactly is the difference between these two concepts? Now, if you're looking for other videos that we have done in the procurement management knowledge area, specifically your questions answered, your FAQs answered, the entire Lounge Fever series, that will be the first link in the description below the entire playlist. Also, if you're looking for concept videos of procurement management, that will be the second link in the description below. Also, I will like to urge you to check out the playlist section of this YouTube channel. That's where you will find playlists of all knowledge areas, all Lounge Fever videos, all practice questions, and a lot of other good stuff. So playlist section, that's where the gold is. Do check it out. So aren't both about examining? Aren't both performance review and audit about examining something? Of course it is, but there's a difference. So the answer to this is yes and no. See, performance review is about examining the work, while audit or inspection is about examining the deliverables and products of the project itself. Let's take a look at examples of the each so that it becomes clearer. When to use performance review? When are you going to do performance review? So you're going to do that when you want to ensure that the seller is doing what they are supposed to do. What does this mean? So let's say if you want the seller to provide you mobile phone batteries that are waterproof. So this is your requirement, mobile phone batteries that are waterproof. Now you can conduct a performance review by visiting the facility and observing the team to verify that their production and testing process is up to the mark. So you are basically verifying the production and testing process here. This is a performance review that you're doing. Also, if there are tasks that you have mandated through the contract, so let's say in the contract you've mentioned that we want mobile phone batteries that are waterproof and we want you to do these three things. These are mandatory tasks. It is mentioned in the contract. So as part of performance review, you can make sure that those tasks are being performed by the seller. A quick reminder, all our PMP courseware articles and videos are available on this link, pmclounge.com/PMP training. Do check it out. Everything's free. So when to audit? Now that you know when you should be doing a performance review, let's try to understand when should you be doing an audit. Audit, also known as inspection, is about the deliverables or the products. So audit is not about the process. Audit is about the end product or the deliverables. So audit should be about the mobile phone batteries and not the production process or the testing process or any tasks that you have mandated as part of the contract. So now you are more concerned about the end product, the deliverable, the mobile phone batteries themselves, and not the production process of the seller. So once the mobile phone batteries are ready, that means once the production is done, you are then going to send a team of auditors or quality inspectors, and these people are going to verify that these batteries meet your requirements. These are going to verify that these batteries are indeed waterproof or any other quality metric that you had set is being met. So that's the difference between audit and performance review. I hope you got value out of this short video. Smash that like button if you did. It helps us stay motivated and create more free content for you. Subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to stay notified whenever we upload new content. Also, don't forget to check out the website pmclounge.com, your #1 free PMP resource. Thank you and have a nice day.